Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Life DIY Josie here, where life stands for low budget ideas for everyone. Here's another DIY multi-purpose organizer. For this project, I will need 12 pieces of this box. I will use them into dividers for this box that I'm using as a drawer organizer. For those of you who are not familiar with this is the box that contained a Dexcom G7. This is not sponsored. It's just that I use it for monitoring my glucose level. If you do not have this specific type of box, you can also use something that's similar. This measures 2.5 by 3 inches. You can also use cardboard or poster board or cardstock paper to use as dividers. I'm cutting all the flaps off the open area. I will do the same thing with the other 11 similar boxes. I will be using them as partitions for this box. This is an Amazon shipping box. Again, if you do not have this type of box, this is measured 9 inches long by 6 inches wide and 3 inches high. I'm cutting all 4 flaps and I'm saving the cut flaps so that I can use them as reinforcements. Since the bottom of this box is uneven, I'm going to put one of the small flaps inside in between the other smaller flaps underneath that is of equal size so that I can fill in the void or the gap in between to kind of make it a little bit more level. And then I'm going to be using the 2 longer flaps to add another layer and reinforce the bottom of the box. I'm moving things around and interchanging the position here to make sure that it's more even. At this point, you can put also a masking or packaging tape to secure the bottom. I didn't feel the need to do so, so I proceeded to adding the small boxes inside the bigger box. As you can see, the 12 identical small boxes fit inside this bigger shipping box from Amazon. I'm going to test it out and use it as an organizer inside this drawer in our bathroom. I already took out the items. I am just cleaning it out with wipes to make sure that I also remove the dust and the dirt. So this can fit exactly the width and also the length, and I can even push it out to the back. I'm using this to organize the smaller items that are loose inside our drawer, and no matter how many different containers I use to organize them, it's hard to find them, and you tend to lose things if you don't see them. So that's why I created this organizer. So instead of creating multiple containers, I created this box with multi-compartments. So many times we look for items and we misplace items as well. It's harder to find them when they're smaller. So I like that this can corral the smaller pieces and keep them organized. Since it's going to be hidden, I didn't need to cover or decorate the box. I often keep it unfinished because it's hidden anyway. I try not to spend more than I have to when I do my DIYs, but feel free to do so if you want to cover the box itself, the bigger box, and keep the inside as is. It will be covered by the items I'm organizing, so I opted to leave it as is. Again, feel free to cover each one or even the bigger box. If you do not want the brown shipping box, cover it with fabric, with contact paper. There are a lot of decorative, affordable contact paper they sell at Dollar Tree. You can also use scrapbooking paper. As you can see, it can fit a lot of items. We have the hair bands, the alcohol swabs, sanitary napkins, all the other things that you may need, even the cotton buds, even the nail cutter, nail filer, eye drops, makeup wipes, lip tint, lip gloss, lipsticks, and many more. And since this is multi-purpose, it doesn't have to be just inside the bathroom drawers. You can also use this to organize your craft items or your home office items. The possibilities are endless for this organizer. I hope this inspires you to upcycle and recycle and reuse so that you can also not just help the bottom line but also the environment. Have a great day, everyone, and I hope to see you again on my next video. Take care and God bless. Bye bye.